How to install apps on an Acer laptop. Easy guide for Windows 10 and 11. Windows 10 1. Microsoft Store. Step 1. Click the Start button. Open Microsoft Store. Step 2. Use the search bar or browse categories. Step 3. Click Get, if free, or Buy, then sign in with your Microsoft account if prompted. Step 4. The app downloads and installs automatically. Find it in the Start menu. 2. Desktop apps, XEMSI. Step 1. Visit the app's official website. Step 2. Download the XE or MSI installer. Step 3. Double-click it and click Next to follow the setup prompts. Step 4. Open the app from the Start menu or desktop shortcut. Windows 11 1. Microsoft Store. Step 1. Open Store from Start. Step 2. Search or browse apps. Step 3. Click Get or Buy and sign in if asked. Step 4. App installs and appears in the Start menu. 2. Wingit, Windows Package Manager. Step 1. Open Terminal Command Prompt or PowerShell. Step 2. Run Wingit install. App name, e.g. Wingit install. Firefox. Step 3. The app installs automatically, no browsing or clicking needed.